Hello, welcome to Asia's Handmade channel. We are here with the 5th video of the Let's Crochet Together series. In this video, we will do a double crochet together. To learn how to crochet step by step, you should definitely check out my Let's Crochet Together playlist. Let's start. Make a slip knot and place it on your crochet hook. Create a foundation chain by making a series of chain stitches. For example, make 10 chains for a small swatch. You can find all about slip knot and chain stitch in my second video of Let's Crochet Together series. You can find the link in description. Wrap the yarn over your hook. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. The first chain creates the height needed for the double crochet. Yarn over again. Pull through the chain. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. You should now have 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over once more. Pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. You've now completed 1 double crochet stitch. Repeat the process in each chain across the row. When you reach the end of the row, chain 2 to turn. This counts as your first double crochet for the next row. Yarn over, insert your hook into the top of the first double crochet from the previous row, and repeat the steps. Maintain consistent tension for even stitches. Practice will help you get the hang of it. How to crochet double crochet in magic loop. You can find my How to Crochet Magic Loop video in the description. Wrap the yarn over your hook. Insert your hook into the magic loop. Yarn over again. Pull through the magic loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Pull through the first 2 loops on your hook. You should now have 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over once more. Pull through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. You've now completed 1 double crochet stitch. Repeat this process for the desired number of double crochet, usually 8 to 12 for a small circle. Pull the tail of the yarn to tighten the magic loop. To join the round, you can either slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet, and chain 2 if you're continuing to work in rounds. The magic loop is great for starting projects like amigurumi or circular motifs. I recommend you visit my Etsy shop link in the description for easy crochet patterns with step-by-step tutorials. You can crochet lots of lovely things with these stitches. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you on the next project. Happy crocheting!